Vibes fam, wagwan! Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes, of course, is a must. Welcome back to another video. I pray everybody is nice. On today's menu, we have some rice and peas with a dash of pig's tail. And here are the ingredients that I will be using today. Well salt pig's tail, coconut milk, scallion and thyme, you know, the goods, yes. So first thing I'm going to do is put my pig's tail to boil to remove the excess salt, and I'm going to do this twice because these salt bad. So this is the first boil off, all done, or as we say, scald off. So I'm going to pour off the water and pour some fresh hot water on it and let it boil again. So fresh water to the thing, boil up, see it there, done, and I weed that. Now I'm going to put my peas and pigtail to pressure, so I added both to my good old faithful pressure cooker, and it needs a little bit more water, so of course I'm going to add some more water to it. And also I'm gonna add some pimento seed and put it to pressure for 30 minutes. Make sure you close the lid properly. That's us all done. So let's see what's going in at the pot. Yes, looking good so far. Ooh, steam. Okay, them look cookity cook. Though the peas color not so red, but that's okay. So because I just wanted only bits and pieces of the pig's tail in my rice and peas, so I'm going to cut it up. So it's not a one pot meal like this. Like I never just this me eat by itself. You know, like when me did do the oxtail, by the way, I'm gonna link that down below. But yeah, like when me did do the oxtail one pot meal, we eat that all by itself. This and never that. So, you know, cut it up. Cut them up kind of small. But yeah, if it was for a one pot meal, then would I leave them big and standing on their own. But I was having this, as I said, with other meat kind, so that's why I'm just adding the pig's tail as a little something, and yeah, it's another star of the show, really. Although, to be honest, pig's tail bust and come through curtain, like say I eat at the star of the show no matter what. It come out like say it come on the runway every time because it tastes good. It tastes really good. Oh gosh. Comment down below and tell me, do you like pig's tail? Okay, so now I'm going to transfer the peas to another pot, but you can actually cook it into the pressure cooker. And then now I'm adding my coconut milk. Scrape it all out. And I had some additional coconut milk, so I'm adding it as well. And you know, cause the more the merrier, makes it creamier. So I added some thyme, scallion, garlic, and some more pimento seed. And then I'm going to add my pig's tail. Yes, dash it in there. Stir it up. Stir. Check out Miss Piggy. Cover it and bring it to a boil. Yes, so nice. So guys, I didn't add any salt into it because it didn't need any. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it in. And of course, this would be my pot if me never left one big piece for myself. Look on the big piece. Yes, that's for me. So now I'm going to add my basmati rice that I washed, so it's nice and clean. And then we're gonna stir it up. And guys, I did cover it. And when it boiled down, a bit, I added the scotch bonnet pepper. I never did show some cover it. Sorry guys. So yeah, boiled down little and I add the scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, that looks so good. That looks so good already. I absolutely love to cook this kind of rice because it's easy to cook and it always come out nice and shelly. Yeah, it's long grain basmati rice. Love it. So fix it up back, you know, bring it together, make it look good, and then cover it down back and make it finish steam. And this is us. It is all done, done, all done, all done. Me say it done. Me say it done. Vibes fam, see we ya. Me say see we ya. A little something, something, something. Yes, just a little rice. Sorry guys, me never shown what me did have it with. But yes, I had it with some fish. Me never shown you. You know, normally me give you a little inside. Even when, you know, me just cook it one side. Me show you a little thing. But me never shown you that this time. Sorry. But here it is. So delicious. So good. I mean, it, yeah. Listen, I can't tell you. Listen, just try it. You guys need to try it. It's just a little extra kick to your taste buds, a little niceness. So when you eat your food and you get a little, you know, a little here and a little there. And we did really enjoy that big piece just for more. Just for more. Yes. So me I stir it up like a show. So imagine when you eat your food and you take up one spoon at the right or a fork. Some people eat with spoon, me eat with fork. You take up one fork and there it is, a little piece of pigtail. Just nice and just in your mouth, and your taste buds are just crying out, woo, woo, woo. Yes. Guys, I enjoyed doing this. Thank you so much for the support. Hey new watchers, thank you so much for your support. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care of yourself.